Hey guys, it's 1 in the morning here in Houston, Texas, and I just couldn't fall asleep, so I decided to just go ahead and work in the car for a little bit. Just decided to wake up, kind of do some work to the car, and figure I would show you guys this, just on a very short video, very quickly. I removed the T-top cover, the aluminum cover, this shiny metal piece, without bending and stuff. But I removed it simply because I wanted to see what was under this. The reason why I wanted to show you guys this quick video is because this is one of the things that you guys must look at when buying a Corvette. You want to be able to remove this and look at it. You can ask the owner to remove it for you, so you can look at it. This will tell you whether the car has been parked in the garage for a long time, or if it's been parked outside, if it's gotten rained on. And the reason why is because when it rains, all the rain trickles down over here, and all this stuff just starts getting very rusted very quick. It'll show you exactly what the interior of the car, as in the birdcage and the frame of the car, will look like. So if it doesn't look sort of like what I'm showing you guys right now, or having some sort of surface rust, then there's a problem, right? As you guys can tell, there's a few pieces over here. I don't think this is rust. I think this is from the, I guess there was some kind of, I think that previous owner had put some kind of seal over here to kind of seal anything from going under. But as you guys can tell, everything looks extremely clean. To my surprise, because I have never seen it. So I'm very excited that it just looks this clean. As you guys can tell, there's just minimal surface rust, such as over here. You'll see some surface rust over here as well, but nothing damaging. I will show you guys inside as well. All right, so now that we're inside, this is another part that you want to take a look at, and that's pretty much the whole frame of the car. As you guys can tell, mine is very clean. It doesn't look like it's been painted. Sometimes they will paint it to kind of hide some of that rust away, but that's why it's important to check your birdcage as well. So give a thorough look at everything. This is an extremely clean roof, which I'm very happy. And if I can show you guys the top here, there was some kind of foam here, and on these, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't know if it's some kind of gunk or what, but it almost looks like the person before me tried to seal this so there wouldn't be any rust coming in through it. It wouldn't rust, I'm sorry. But as you guys can tell, this looks extremely clean, and I'm thoroughly happy with this. So I wanted to share that with you. Always verify this to make sure that there's no rust on your car. And if there's rust, make sure that the owner that's selling it to you is disclosing accurate information and not just trying to sell you a piece of crap. The removal is extremely easy. Just a couple of screws here up top. So you'll have a screw here and then a screw there. You'll also have a couple of screws here and under for that particular plastic piece that's there. And then you'll have a couple of screws here as well, and then the two bottom ones for the light. If you guys want me to do an in-depth video of this, removing it and re-putting it, I'm more than happy to do that. Like I said, this is just a random quick video that I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.